Finding the right digital piano as a beginner can be challenging, especially when balancing affordability with quality. Welcome back to my Auto MT channel. The 88-key beginner electric digital piano aims to provide an authentic playing experience at a budget-friendly price. With full-sized semi-weighted keys, Bluetooth connectivity, a variety of sound options, and essential accessories included, this keyboard is designed to be a complete package for new learners. But how well does it actually perform? Let's break it down. Design and build quality. At first glance, the piano keyboard looks sleek and professional, closely resembling a traditional piano in size. The semi-weighted keys offer a decent level of resistance, mimicking the feel of an acoustic piano to some extent. However, they are not fully weighted, so experienced pianists may find them a bit too sensitive. The lightweight build makes it highly portable, which is great for those who want to practice on the go. The package comes with a stand, carrying case, sustain pedal, power supply, headphones, and even a sheet music holder. A great deal considering the affordable price. The carrying case is particularly useful for musicians who travel frequently or need to store the keyboard when not in use. However, some users have noted that the materials feel somewhat cheap, especially the sustain pedal and headphones, which may not be very durable in the long run. Sound quality and features. One of the standout features of this digital piano is the wide variety of sounds. With 128 instrument voices and rhythms, beginners have plenty of room to experiment with different styles of music. Additionally, 80 built-in demo songs allow learners to practice and improve their skills effortlessly. While this is a great feature for beginners, advanced players might find the sound quality lacking, as it doesn't quite match the depth and richness of high-end digital pianos. Bluetooth connectivity is another bonus, allowing users to connect to apps, learning programs, or external speakers for an enhanced experience. This is particularly useful for beginners looking to follow online tutorials or play along with backing tracks. However, some users have reported occasional connectivity issues, which could be a downside for those who rely heavily on Bluetooth features. User experience and performance. For beginners and casual players, this keyboard performs well for basic practice. The keys are responsive, but as mentioned earlier, they may feel too sensitive for those accustomed to weighted keys. Some users have also reported that the sound output through the built-in speakers lacks depth, making external speakers or high-quality headphones a better option. That said, for just $112.99, this keyboard offers excellent value for money. It's particularly well-suited for young learners, casual hobbyists, or those looking for an affordable entry into piano playing. While it may not compete with professional-grade digital pianos, it gets the job done for basic learning and practice. Pros and cons. White heavy checkmark. Pros. Heavy checkmark. Affordable price for a full-sized keyboard. Heavy checkmark comes with a complete beginner's bundle, stand, headphones, sustain pedal, etc. Heavy checkmark. Lightweight and portable with a carrying case. Heavy checkmark. Bluetooth connectivity for external apps and learning tools. Heavy checkmark. 128 instrument voices and rhythms for creative exploration. Crossmark. Cons. Crossmark build quality feels cheap, especially accessories. Crossmark keys are very sensitive and not fully weighted. Crossmark sound quality is average, particularly through the built-in speakers. Crossmark Bluetooth connectivity can be inconsistent at times. Final verdict. Who should buy it? If you're a beginner or buying for a child, this 88-key digital piano is a fantastic choice to start learning without spending a fortune. It offers a good mix of features, portability, and accessories, making it a convenient all-in-one package. However, if you're looking for a more professional playing experience, you may want to consider a model with fully weighted keys and better sound quality. For the price, this keyboard delivers solid value. Just don't expect it to perform like a high-end digital piano. Great for beginners, casual players, or as a secondary practice keyboard.